Okay, my babe has got her little vacuum suction silly things right here.
Plastic bags that were sealing up stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So we already did one. Excuse my dog and my ears everywhere. Pretty good though, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably put some more stuff in here. This is a blanket that that my mom got us for our wedding. And I should have never taken it on the boat. It's got mold spots on it. And I can't properly wash it, but I am storing it.
So
This. Open that back up and put some more stuff in it. That was the
That's what it's called right there. The vacuum storage bags from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below.
I believe that was the jumbo. Wait. Okay. Yeah, these are jumbos. No room in here. Like I wouldn't overstuff these. The zipper might come undone.
Yeah, I don't know how many you could fit in there, but
well, you can probably put some clothing in there or something, but I wouldn't put this on top of it.
that's a weighted blanket.
That's gonna be really heavy on one of these. Imagine this pump's not going to last very long.
Is that a good workout?
Well, my back's killing me right now, so yeah, I guess so. Honestly, I don't know when you're supposed to stop. I feel resistance, so I'm guessing at some point.
Mm-hmm.
And there's no air.
Yeah, I think you're good. And that's it. It's a pancake.
That's the jumbo. Might be able to stick more stuff in there, but right now I'm not putting up pellets yet. Okay.
Now she's out of breath.
Well, I did do Pilates today too. And I just stood there for an hour doing dishes. And my back's killing me.
So. Okay, so my wife did most of them. I did a couple of my stuff. But now I gotta get these up. I'm gonna put them in the back room under the bed and outside out of mine, right? So I have it nicely stacked under the bed, and we have enough room for quite a few more. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave a link down below for these things, and we're going to call it a day for this video. Yeah, we got lots of stuff to get ready to...
We're at like 2 months?
Yeah, 2 months. This is prep to get back
to... a lot.
No.
Especially when we're still dealing with all the stuff that we have to get for Bella. And then we have to, yeah, the pet relocation, all that. So yeah, stay tuned to those fun videos.
Yep, but yeah, y'all like, subscribe, and y'all please take care. Here's my babe. She's going back to the room I need to clean up.
That's where everything goes. I clean it, it goes right back.
Okay guys, out here on the dinghy, you got the summer air in here. So they're well inflated. There's the babe right there. We're going to town. And yeah, I don't even know why I'm recording.
Wave goodbye to the front porch light. Said see you later, this is our flight. The kids are grown, the house is too quiet, yeah. Empty nester now, ready to riot. Traded the lawnmower for a salty breeze. Found a new home between the palms and the trees. It's Chris and Danielle charting a new course. From the comfort zone to the boundless source. No schedules, no rush, just the sun in the sky. Got a budget to balance, keep the dreams flying high. From the